In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to share your shopping cart on Amazon. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon shopping app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the carts page. Here you're going to find all the items. Now you might notice that there is no direct option to share your entire cart with someone. However, you can still share items individually. Simply tap on any product in your cart, then look for share icon. From there, you can share the item through apps like WhatsApp, messages, or email, or even copy the link and send it manually to your friends. Now, if you want to share all the items at once, here's a trick. Go to your profile icon inside the Amazon app. Then tap on list. After that, tap the plus icon to create a new list. Give your list a name and press create list. Once the list is created, go back to your cart and start adding all your items into the list. After you have added everything, open the list and tap on invite. You'll then get an option to copy a shareable link or send it directly via email or message. And that's it. Now you can easily share your Amazon shopping cart with anyone you want. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now you can head over to me page